And cerebral retardation. So please, ladies and gentlemen, members of our 2018
Bulbunaka, namaste, and Assalamu alaikum, and good evening to you all. It is a pleasure to be here as to launch the 2018 Super Championships, a season for our very own Fiji Drua Airways team. I acknowledge the efforts by our coaches, support staff, and many others that have contributed, that especially those ones that work behind the scenes in preparation of the boys for the upcoming events. I would like also to thank the players for the hard yards during the training and the commitment and sacrifices, and for very successful outing last season. I acknowledge our sponsors, Fiji Airways, who have always come on board to assist us, especially our national team. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji Airways Drua team performed beyond expectation during the 2017 National Rugby Championships. The team finished third on the overall standing against some opponents. So you all deserve a round of applause. Thank you very much. The National Rugby Championship, known as the NRC in Australia, National Professional Rugby, as of 2018, it contested seven teams from around Australia, plus one from Fiji. The NRC is the top level tournament administered by some Australian rugby. It is the most important club competition for players in Australia following Super Rugby. I urge our players to take this task at hand seriously, as you will be facing some tough opponent yet again, and competition, one of the world toppest competition. Ladies and gentlemen, providing opportunities for our rugby players is being done in line with our objective to strengthen sports development in the country, and of course for our players to be exposed to top class rugby. Our participation in the NRC also assists our national coaches, scouts, players for our national team, national men's team, and 15th team. One of the classic examples being Ronnie Sau, who stamped his mark on the 7th arena this year, and who's also given the nickname the Sledgehammer. I am glad to say that the Drua team played a huge contribution and made a huge contribution in preparing Sau for the world stage, and I have the utmost trust that the team and the coaches in this competition will continue to provide the pathway for many of you present here today. Ladies and gentlemen, while there is yet again a time to celebrate the launching of the new season, it is also a time to recommit, strategize, and reaffirm your team. It is once again time to set our personal goals, but most importantly, your goal as a team. I must reiterate that your coaches have been stressing on the training field that nothing beats teamwork. As the renowned American basketball player Phil Jackson once said, and I quote, "The strength of a team is each individual." Remember, the strength of each member of the individual is the team. Unquote. I would like to thank each one of you for your hard work, sacrifice, determination, and make a commitment that will not go in vain. I wish our Fijian Roar team the very best, and many of you have a very successful this season. May the road rise up to meet you. May the wind always be at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face and rains fall soft upon your face, or upon your field. May God be with you and be with you all season. Thank you very much.